So today we will continue with some questions related to rank correlation coefficient. Questions related to rank correlation coefficient, right? So what is the question? What is the statement? The value of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient for certain pairs of number of observations. So what is the value of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient for certain pairs of number of observation to be? It has been given 2 by 3. The sum of squares for certain pair of sum of squares of it is repeating the sum of squares of the difference between corresponding ranks जो ranks हैं, the rank given by x, the rank given by y, and the sum of squares of their difference. It means x minus y. We have given their difference x minus y whole squares. X minus y आपने find out किया, उसका नाम d है. D means summation of d square. We have given, right? Was 55. Find the number of pairs. हमें ढूंढना है कितनी observations हैं. Find the number of pairs. So this is today's question. So what we have given the row, we have given summation of d square, and we have to calculate what is the value of n. So let's start. Let's prove what solution. So given, you will write given rho is equal to 2 by 3, summation of d square is equal to 55. If n is the number of pairs of observations means x and y, they are written in a bracket in the form. जैसे x1 y1 है, इस तरह से ये इसको कहेंगे हम pairs of observations. We have rho is equal. So we will just assign the value of rho is summation of d square upon n into n square minus 1. So you will substitute the values as given above. 1 minus 55, 6 into 6, I have missed, 6 into 55 upon n into n square minus 1. So after calculating it, I'm just finding the value of it implies. So you will calculate, I'm just writing n into n square minus 1. After solving, you will get 990, right? So it implies n cube minus n minus 990 is equal to 0. So this is a cubic. ये cube में आ गया. आपके पास expression quadratic नहीं है. It is in the form of cubic. So by hit and trial, let's put let n is equal to 10. ठीक है जी? By hit and trial. So it means when you will put n is equal to 10, 10 cube minus 10 minus 990, right? So this is 1000 minus 10 minus 990. It means you have got, 990 minus 990, that is equal to 0. So n is equal to 10 ने इस equation को satisfy कर दिया, right? Therefore, by remainder theorem, you know what is the remainder theorem? So इसका मतलब 10 जो है n is equal to 10 इसको satisfy कर रहा है इस equation को. इसका मतलब n minus 10 जो है ये इस equation का क्या है? Factor है. So therefore by remainder theorem n minus 10 is a factor of is a factor of n cube minus n minus 990, right? So on dividing, so जब हम divide करेंगे, on dividing n cube minus n minus 990 by 9 minus 10, we obtain the other factor. We obtain the other factor of n cube minus n minus 990 as, जब आप इसको divide कर लेंगे बेटा, you all know how to divide, n square plus 10n plus 99. So दो factor मिल गए इस equation के, the one is n minus 10, the other is n square plus 10n, 8 plus 99. It implies n cube minus n minus 990 is equal to 0, implies one factor was this and the other was n square plus 10n plus 99 is equal to 0. So either this is equal to 0 or n square plus 10n plus 99 is equal to 0. It implies n is equal to 10 or. So beta, this is a quadratic in n, and when you will solve it, this is minus 10 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. So this is 100. 4 into a into 990. Sorry, here is 99 only, right? Divided by 2. So n is equal to minus 10 plus minus. So अब देखिए 100 माइनस कितना हो गया? ऑब्वियसली ये जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे 390, तो ये वाला पार्ट क्या हो गया? नेगेटिव. अंडर रूट में नेगेटिव आ गया. जब अंडर रूट में नेगेटिव आ जाता है तो वो आयोटा बन जाता है. आयोटा मीन्स इमेजिनरी. इसका मतलब रूट्स क्या आ गए यहाँ पे? इमेजिनरी रूट. ठीक है, इमेजिनरी वैल्यू. लेकिन वी आर बेटा वर्किंग इन अ रियल फॉर्म, सो वी विल नॉट कंसीडर दिस इमेजिनरी वैल्यू, क्योंकि एन जो है बेटा, एन इज द नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. सो नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस कांट बी इमेजिनरी, राइट? therefore this can't be possible. आप लिख देंगे can't be possible for number of observations. ठीक है, I have written this is observation. So therefore n is equal to 10 is the, therefore n is equal to 10 is the only permissible value जिसको हम accept कर सकते हैं, right? So therefore number of pairs is equal to 10. Therefore, number of pairs is equal to 10. So I hope this question is clear to you. Let's do one more question. Next example we will do. The coefficient of rank correlation for marks obtained by 10 students in two particular subjects was found to be 0.5. ठीक है जी. It was later, ये करेक्शन का क्वेश्चन हो गया. करेक्टेड पीछे हमने किया था, करेक्टेड, हाउ टू फाइंड द करेक्टेड Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. So this question related to corrected rank correlation. So फर्क ये है कि जो गलत वैल्यू है वो माइनस में आ जाएगी, जो सही है वो एडिशन में आ जाएगी. It was later discovered that the difference in ranks in two subjects obtained by one of the students was wrongly taken as 3 instead of 7. 7 लेना था, हमने वैल्यू क्या ले ली? 3 ले ली. What should be the correct value of coefficient of rank correlation. So I am reading the statement. The coefficient of rank correlation for marks obtained by 10 students, it means n is given as 10, in particular subject was found to be 0.5. ठीक है जी? It means this is given as rho. It was later discovered that the difference in rank in two subjects obtained by one of the student was wrongly taken as 3. Difference, we have given the difference. आना क्या था? 7 आना था, हमने क्या ले लिया? 3 ले लिया. ठीक है? 3 is the wrong value and 7 is the right value. Right? So what is the correct value of the coefficient of correlation? पहले हम summation of d square को correct करेंगे, फिर ही हमारा जो rank है वो correct निकलेगा. So I am coming to the solution given. N is equal to 10, rho is equal to 0.5, right? So formula is rho is equal to 1 minus summation d square n into n square minus 1. So you will put all the values, 1 minus, so we don't have given the value of summation of d square exactly. So it will remain as it is. So here is 10, 100 minus 1, right? So you will calculate the value of summation of d square. I am writing here, this comes out to be 990 divided by 6 into 2, that is 82.5. So summation of d square पहले, क्योंकि ये जो आया है ये incorrected है, अब हमें इसको क्या करना है? करेक्ट करना है, राइट? नाउ करेक्टेड समेशन ऑफ डी स्क्वायर. अब 82.5 में जो गलत था, गलत कौन था? 3 गलत था, यानी डिफरेंस दिया था, डिफरेंस हमने 7 ले लिया, 7 लेना था लेकिन हमने 3 ले लिया, तो हमने उसका स्क्वायर जो है वो माइनस कर दिया, और जो सही है हमने उसको ऐड कर दिया. सो व्हेन यू विल कैलकुलेट इट, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 122.5, right? So now we will find the corrected. So I will do here corrected. You will write now corrected rho is equal to, so you will put all the values again, 1 minus summation. यहाँ पे अब corrected आपके पास आएगा. corrected क्या है? 122.5 into 10 into 10 square minus 1. So when you will solve it, what you will get? 0.2576. That will be your answer, right? So now the next is the derivation of derivation. Next article today we will do that rho की ये जो value है 1 minus summation d square into n square minus 1, ये कैसे आई है? That is, what is the derivative? You will write the theorem, or you can write the article derivation of rank Spearman's. You will write here Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Today we will do the derivation, right? So let's start the proof. Suppose that no two individuals are bracketed equal in either classification. Each of the variables x and y takes the values 1, 2, 3 so on up to it. So what is the meaning of this line? This is, अब ये वाला जो फॉर्मूला है ये वहां अप्लाई होता है जहां पे रैंक्स टाई नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है? So suppose that no two individuals are bracketed equal. कोई भी दो individuals हैं, उनको जो है हमने उनकी वैल्यू जो है वो सेम नहीं है. So every variable is taking the value from 1 to 1. No value is repeating in this case. ठीक है, आप सपोज करो मेरे पास 4 ही वेरिएबल्स हैं x, मेरे पास 4 वेरिएबल्स, तो उनको मैंने रैंक क्या असाइन किया 1 2 3 4. No one is repeating here. Therefore, so if you are, अब देखो मान लो आपके पास एक x रैंक ऑफ x है, रैंक ऑफ y है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन सपोज करिए आपके पास 5 है. ठीक है, आपने रैंक्स दे दिए 2, इसको 3 दे दिया, देन 1, देन 4 एंड 5, सारे रैंक्स आ गए 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है, सिमिलरली y को भी सपोज करो यहाँ पे इसको 4 आ रहा है, देन यू हैव 1 हियर, देन 2 हियर, देन वी हैव 5 हियर, देन वी हैव 3. ठीक है जी. So what is the average? Either you will find x bar or you will find y bar, both are equal to each other because they have same set of observations, right? So this is just for the sake of understanding. अगली जो मैं लाइन बता रही थी, hence आगे continuation में क्या आप लिखेंगे, ये आप साइड पे आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. Hence x bar is equal to y bar, right? And this is equal to 1 by n. जितनी भी values है 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n. So that comes out to be n into n plus 1 divided by 2, or n already here, so the value becomes n plus 1 divided by 2. Now we will find the variance of x. So the formula for the variance is 1 by n summation I running from 1 to n xi square minus x bar whole square, right? So this is 1 by n. This is summation of xi square, सारी values 1 square plus 2 square so on up to plus n square, right? Minus mean आपके पास value ये पड़ी हुई है, you will put the value here, n plus 1 whole square. ठीक है जी. So this is the sum of the squares, first n term, so this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and n is already there, minus n plus 1 by 2 its whole square. So after solving, beta, I am just writing the value n square minus 1 divided by 12. So what sigma x square you have calculated? N square minus 1 by 12. As y is having the same value, same set of values, so therefore the value of sigma x square and sigma y square will remain same. Now in general, the xi is not equal to yi, right? Let gi is equal to the difference between xi and yi. Therefore, gi is equal to xi minus x bar. ठीक है, मैं x बार इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ, माइनस yi प्लस x बार सपोज करिए. ठीक है जी. एंड वी नो दैट x बार इज इक्वल टू y बार, तो एक जगह हम लगा देंगे y बार, राइट? So I have put the value of x bar is equal to y bar here. अब हम माइनस कॉमन निकाल लेंगे, माइनस yi minus y bar, right? So squaring and summing. पहले squaring and summing दोनों स्टेप साथ में करेंगे. Squaring and summing over I from 1 to राइट? स्क्वेयरिंग की मतलब di स्क्वायर किया, समिंग की मतलब समेशन आई रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to n. सो सेम हियर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस पूरे का स्क्वायर जाएगा, xi माइनस x बार माइनस yi माइनस y बार, राइट? इस पूरे का स्क्वायर और साथ में समेशन आई रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to n. अब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. So this is equal to summation xi minus x bar whole square, a plus b whole square का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, summation yi minus y bar whole square minus 2 summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar, right? So here we have summation of di square, dividing both sides by n. So why we are dividing? After dividing n, we will get variance of x and variance of y, both divided by n. So this is 1 by n summation of di square I running from 1 to n. So this becomes sigma x square, this becomes sigma y square. ठीक है जी. After you can write one more step, आप division में n लिख दीजिए. ठीक है. -2। और ये क्या बन जाएगा जब आप डिवाइडेड बाय n करेंगे, दिस बिकम्स 2 times कोवेरियंस बिटवीन x एंड y. So this is sigma x square plus sigma y square minus, what is the formula of covariance between, if rho is the rank correlation coefficient, so this is covariance between xy upon sigma x sigma y. So what is the value of covariance? This is rho sigma x sigma y. This is the value of covariance between x and y. So this is 2 into rho into sigma x sigma y, right? Where rho is the rank correlation, rho is the rank correlation coefficient between the two characteristics A and B. Therefore, 1 by n summation of di square I running from 1 to n. This is equal to, you have sigma y square is equal to sigma x square. So I will put the same value, same here, 2 rho sigma x sigma y. The reason is sigma x square is equal to sigma y square, implies sigma x is equal to sigma y. This becomes 2 times of sigma x square minus 2 rho sigma x into sigma x. So this is 2 sigma x square minus 2 rho sigma x square, right? So it implies 2 times. 2 comes out to be common. 2 into sigma x square is common. Under area 1 minus rho, right? It implies 1 minus rho is equal to summation of di square upon 2n into sigma x square. ठीक है जी, ये हमने नीचे जाके उधर डिवाइड कर दिया. So you want to find the value of rho. Rho is equal to 1 minus summation of di square upon 2n into sigma x square. And you have calculated the value of sigma x square. You will just put the value here. So this is 1 minus summation of di square upon 2 into n into n square minus 1 divided by 2. This is 6, और ये 6 जो है यहाँ पे आके फिट हो जाएगा. This is 1 minus 6 summation of di square upon n into n square minus 1. So thus we have proved that we have derived the value of rank correlation coefficient as 1 minus 6 summation di square upon n into n square minus 1. I is running from 1 to, so that I have derived. So I hope the point is clear to all of you.